Being a creative and one-of-a-kind token, Nexo can flaunt especially high utility, so it's nothing unexpected it has been very famous of late. Individuals generally are puzzling over whether it is somewhat worth putting resources into Nexo and what's on the horizon for this money, in opposition to mainstream thinking. In this video, we will show you our Nexo value forecast and offer why we think it is a generally excellent venture. Made in 2018, Nexo really is a digital money in view of the Ethereum blockchain. It basically utilizes the ERC20 really token norm, in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo brags toward many highlights that especially make it pretty interesting and a wise speculation. Here sort of are some of them, or so they thought. Nexo offers moment advances to individuals who truly need to involve their digital forms of money as insurance, which is genuinely huge. This generally implies you can acquire cash against really your crypto property without having to offer them, in opposition to prevalent thinking for the most part. Nexo sort of has an organization with Credissimo, one of Europe's driving monetary organizations. This gives Nexo much validity and truly shows that it is here to remain basically. Nexo pays interest on all stores made on their foundation, or so they thought. This is a truly incredible method for procuring in every practical sense, automated revenue and one reason why we think Nexo really is a strong speculation decision. The interest for moment credits involving digital currencies as sort of guarantee is developing, and Nexo is one of the unmistakable stages in this space. Nexo technical analysis. As per verifiable information, Nexo appears to be a cryptographic money with mooning expected in an unpretentious manner. It answers well to crypto market changes and has sufficient benchmark backing to generally shoot up in esteem. The Nexo fundamentally token right now just has half of its complete stock available for use, which certainly is genuinely huge. The cryptographic money's market capitalization is, in any event, at the hour of composing, inside the best 100 on CoinMarketCap in an unpretentious manner. These things highlight Nexo having great long-haul possibilities in a huge manner. Here is the Nexo specialized examination performed by TradingView and refreshed and genuinely constant. On the off chance that it sort of is giving a purchase signal, the very latest thing is bullish, and Nexo's cost basically is probably going to ascend soon, which truly is genuinely huge. On the off chance that the gadget gives a sell signal, the cost of the Nexo cryptographic money could go down in the next few days or hours. Nexo Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Nexo costs expected in 2022, the kind of least expensive Nexo will be 83 cents. The most extreme level that the Nexo cost can reach is 93 cents in an unpretentious manner. The very normal exchanging cost is normal around 86 cents, or so they thought. Nexo price forecast for September 2022 in a genuinely significant manner. In light of the value changes of Nexo toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Nexo pace of 79 cents in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 72 cents and at 81 cents, individually, which is genuinely huge. October 2022, Nexo price forecast in an unpretentious way. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to by and large report their estimate for the Nexo cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be 79 cents, while the very greatest could reach 85 cents during this month, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Nexo could be around 82 cents, which is very huge. Nexo price forecast for November 2022. Crypto experts fundamentally have really looked at the value vacillations of Nexo in 2022 and in earlier years, so the especially normal Nexo rate they foresee could explicitly be around 85 cents in November 2022 in an unobtrusive way. It can drop to 82 cents as a base. The really greatest worth may be 89 cents, which basically is very huge. December 2022, Nexo price forecast, which especially is very huge. Around mid-year 2022, the Nexo cost will in a real sense be exchanged at 86 cents on kind of normal in an essentially huge manner. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Nexo worth to 93 cents. It in every practical sense, is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 83 cents in December 2022, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Nexo price prediction 2023, which is genuinely huge. After the examination of the costs of Nexo in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the really least cost of Nexo will for the most part be around $1.23, which is genuinely huge. The really greatest expected Nexo cost may in every practical sense, be around $1.53, which basically is genuinely critical. By and large, the exchanging cost could in a real sense be $1.27 in 2023 in a significant manner. Nexo price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Nexo, in 2024, Nexo really is supposed to have the accompanying least and essentially greatest costs, about $1.74 and $2.13, separately in an especially significant way certainly. The typical expected exchanging cost especially is $1.81. Nexo price prediction 2025, which for the most part is very huge. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Nexo and their changes during the earlier years, in opposition to mainstream thinking. It is accepted that in 2025, the fundamentally least Nexo cost could drop to $2.66, while it's in every practical sense, most extreme can reach $3.11. By and large, the exchanging cost will sort of be around $2.73. Nexo price prediction 2026 in an unpretentious manner. In view of the examination of the expenses of Nexo by crypto specialists, the accompanying really most extreme and least Nexo costs are normal in 2026, $4.56 and $3.68 in an essentially significant way. By and large, it will be exchanged at $3.82. Nexo price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the vacillations of Nexo amazingly. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical Nexo cost will for the most part be around $5.88, which is very critical. It could drop to a fundamentally least of $5.69, however it actually could reach $6.42 all through 2027. Nexo price prediction 2028 in a genuinely enormous manner. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready figures at the cost of Nexo. It is assessed that Nexo will in a real sense be exchanged somewhere in the range of $7.98 and